Hello everyone, and welcome to Health and Beauty. Today we have an exciting topic to explore: the incredible benefits of pumpkin seeds. Did you know that incorporating these tiny powerhouses into your daily diet can lead to a range of health benefits, including promoting hair growth? Stick around as we dive into the world of pumpkin seeds, their nutritional value, and even share a delicious recipe. But before we get started, I want to thank each and every one of you for the incredible support you've been showing the channel. Your likes, comments, and shares mean the world to me, and they really help the channel grow. Alright, let's jump right into today's topic. But first, let's understand what makes these seeds so special. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are more than just a seasonal snack. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can work wonders for your health and beauty. In this video, we'll delve into the benefits of making pumpkin seeds a daily part of your diet, explore a delightful recipe, and even uncover how pumpkin seed oil can contribute to luscious look. Nutritional breakdown: the seeds that pack a punch. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential nutrients. They are rich in magnesium, zinc, iron, and copper. These minerals play a crucial role in various bodily functions, including immune support, bone health, and energy metabolism. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them a versatile and nutrient-dense addition to your diet. Health benefits: heart healthy and immune boosting. Now, let's explore the health benefits of incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily routine. First and foremost, they are known for their heart-healthy properties. Pumpkin seeds aren't just a tasty treat, they're also great for your heart. The high levels of magnesium contribute to cardiovascular health by regulating blood pressure and supporting overall heart function. Additionally, the zinc content plays a crucial role in supporting a robust immune system, making pumpkin seeds an excellent choice for overall health maintenance. Pumpkin seeds also contain antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. But before we dive in, let me know in the comments below what topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Your feedback is crucial in shaping the content on this channel, and I want to make sure I'm creating videos that you genuinely enjoy and find helpful. Sleeping Beauty, a natural sleep aid. Struggling with sleep? Pumpkin seeds might be your new bedtime snack. Moreover, these seeds have been linked to improved sleep due to their high content of tryptophan, an amino acid that plays a role in the production of serotonin and melatonin, both crucial for regulating sleep patterns. So, snacking on a handful of pumpkin seeds in the evening may just be the key to a restful night's sleep. Hair growth benefits. Pumpkin seeds and hair growth. Now, let's talk about something many of us are interested in: hair growth. Pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of zinc, which is essential for maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting hair growth. Zinc helps with cell division, tissue growth, and repair, making it a key player in the hair follicle development process. But the benefits don't stop there. Enter pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil, nourishment for your tresses. Beyond that, pumpkin seed oil extracted from these seeds has gained popularity in the world of natural hair care. Rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, pumpkin seed oil helps nourish the hair and can contribute to improved hair texture and strength. It's a great option for those looking to enhance the overall health and appearance of their hair. Incorporating pumpkin seed oil into your hair care routine can be a natural and effective way to enhance the overall health and appearance of your mane. Pumpkin seed oil DIY hair mask recipe. Now that we've discussed the benefits, let's put pumpkin seeds to practical use. I'm going to share a simple and effective DIY hair mask recipe using pumpkin seed oil. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seed oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 egg yolk. Mix these ingredients thoroughly and apply the mask to your hair, focusing on the roots and tips. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out with your regular shampoo. The combination of pumpkin seed oil, honey, and egg yolk will leave your hair feeling nourished and revitalized. As we wrap up today's exploration into the world of pumpkin seeds, it's clear that these little gems offer a multitude of health benefits, from supporting heart health to promoting hair growth. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them on your salad, or incorporate pumpkin seed oil into your hair care routine, the possibilities are endless. Remember, as with any dietary changes, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your individual health needs. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily routine is a small step with significant potential benefits. From heart health to promoting hair growth, these seeds offer a holistic approach to well-being. So, why not make pumpkin seeds a regular part of your diet and beauty regimen? Your body and hair might just thank you for it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the benefits of pumpkin seeds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.